Namaskar. Today we are going to talk about white blood intestine sausage recipe. So far it has only been used in the Newar community. It is made by filling the small or large intestine with white blood. From the small intestine, it becomes like sausage, and from the big intestine, it becomes like salami. The small intestine is zigzag, so we make it straight. Fill with water and wash 3 or 4 times. This is how we clean the large intestine. The fat in the intestine should be removed. After cleaning this, one of the mouths of the intestine should be tied with a thread so that the white blood does not leak. It will be better if we can add bone marrow. We have to cut the bone marrow into small pieces to use. We are going to make white blood intestine recipe using 2 liters of white blood. Now we go to use spices. Salt 1 teaspoon. Cumin 1 teaspoon. Red chili 2 teaspoons. Ginger garlic paste 2 teaspoons. 2 eggs. Milk 200 milliliters. Breaking 2 eggs. Mix all the spices in a boil. Add the white blood to the spice mixture. Do not use the rest of the thick white blood. Fill the intestine with white blood with the help of a funnel. Once the white blood is filled in the intestine, we close the other mouth of the intestine with a thread. Now boil it in a karai with a little water. It will ripen in 15 or 20 minutes and we have to flip it once in a while. It's been 18 minutes. It may be ripe. Let's see, an intestine has ruptured and is ripe. Put out the fire. It's cold, now take it out. First of all, we should cut it as sausage. Then cut it into pieces. Now we can fry it in a pan using a little oil. Or you can eat it only by heating it in the oven. It is better to eat with pickles. Let's test it.